Are you ready to dive into the exciting journey of obtaining your mortgage loan originator license in California, but are feeling a bit overwhelmed about where to begin? Don't worry, we've got your back. Let's walk through the process together and take some of that stress off your shoulders. First things first, California has two separate licensing divisions, the California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation, also referred to as the California DFPI, and the California Department of Real Estate, also known as the California DRE. Your path to licensure will depend on which division your employer operates under. If you're not yet sponsored by an employer, here's a quick guide to help you choose. If you already hold an active California real estate license and plan to operate under both your real estate and mortgage loan originator licenses, then California DRE is the way to go. However, if you're solely interested in obtaining a mortgage loan originator license without pursuing a California real estate license, then California DFPI is probably the division for you. In this video, we're focusing on the requirements for a California DFPI license, but hold on tight because understanding both agencies is crucial to ensure that you're registering with the right one. Here's how it breaks down. A California DFPI license opens doors to working with companies licensed under the DFPI, exclusively dealing with mortgages falling under the California Finance Lenders Law or the California Residential Mortgage Lenders Act. Conversely, a DRE license demands you maintain a real estate license, complete additional real estate education, and grant you the flexibility to work with any mortgage company licensed through the DRE. To thrive as a mortgage loan originator under the California DFPI, you'll need a solid grasp of the mortgage industry, financial regulations, and top-notch interpersonal and communication skills. You'll dive deep into national and California state-level guidelines by completing pre-licensing education, and you will also need to pass a national exam showcasing your mortgage expertise. So let's jump into our step-by-step guide on how to become an MLO through California DFPI and check off all those mortgage licensing requirements. Start your journey to becoming a licensed MLO by requesting an NMLS account through the Nationwide Mortgage Licensing System and Registry, also known as the NMLS. Once you've registered with the NMLS, you'll receive an individual NMLS ID number to carry with you throughout your career as a mortgage loan originator. This unique ID serves as your identifier for your California license, as well as any licenses you pursue in other states. Next up, complete the required 20 hours of NMLS-approved pre-licensing education coursework. The Department of Financial Protection and Innovation mandates specific topics, including the following: 3 hours of federal law, 3 hours of ethics, 2 hours of non-traditional mortgage lending, 10 hours of electives, and 2 hours of California DFPI-specific education. To complete this education, jump on over to mymortgagetrainer.com to explore our course options. Once you've wrapped up your federal hours of pre-licensing education and the additional 2 hours of California DFPI-specific education, it's time to start studying for the SAFE National MLO exam. To obtain your license, you must pass the NMLS's SAFE Mortgage Loan Originator exam with a score of 75% or higher. This comprehensive exam assesses your understanding of core concepts in mortgage lending. The SAFE exam spans 190 minutes, costs $110, and consists of 120 questions in total. You schedule your SAFE exam through your NMLS account once you feel adequately prepared. If you don't pass the exam on your first attempt, there's a 30-day waiting period for a retest. If you're unsuccessful after 3 attempts, you'll need to wait an additional 6 months before trying again. Next, you must complete a criminal background check and get fingerprinted. The background check can be initiated through your NMLS portal. You can also make your appointment to have your fingerprints taken through the NMLS portal. The current cost of both the background check and fingerprinting is $36.25. Additionally, you will need to complete the credit report authorization process through the NMLS. Once you've passed your test, done your background check and credit report check authorization, you're ready to submit your California mortgage license application. To submit your application, head to your NMLS portal and complete your individual form MU4 and pay your NMLS fees. The cost to submit your MLO license in California is a $30 NMLS processing fee, a $300 state application fee, and a $15 credit report fee. While completing your MU4, you will be asked several disclosure questions. For any disclosure question that you answer yes to, you will be required to provide an additional explanation. An explanation is intended to provide regulators with additional information necessary for the proper evaluation of a license application. After finding and being hired by an employer, that's either a mortgage broker or a mortgage lender like a credit union or bank, you can initiate the sponsorship process. Your California DFPI loan originator license will remain in pending status until your employee sponsorship is verified with the NMLS. This verification is completed inside the NMLS portal. Users will visit the form filing home screen, then click Company Access. They're then prompted to add their employer sponsorship by submitting employment details. Once the sponsoring employer receives notice of the verification request, they can approve the sponsorship. Upon approval, congrats, you officially have your mortgage loan originator license in California through the DFPI. But that's not all. My Mortgage Trainer is your ultimate destination for all your California DFPI MLO pre-licensing education needs. We proudly offer both the exhilarating SAFE 20 course and the captivating 2-hour California DFPI state-specific course. What's more, unlike some other education providers out there, our courses come complete with free test prep materials. Struggling with test anxiety or feeling maybe a little jittery about embarking on something new? Fear not, because we're here to guide you every step of the way, ensuring that your future career as a California DFPI MLO is nothing short of spectacular and enduring success. Ready to dive in? Click the link below for more information on our education options, or give us a call directly at 317-566-0425 to speak with one of our knowledgeable and supportive team members. And while you're at it, show us some love by hitting that like button and dropping a comment. As a proud veteran-owned business, we're dedicating to serving you.